Nandito kami sa Royal Selangor.
Royal Selangor Shop or Gallery located at Pavilion Mall, Kuala Lumpur. This is called the design that when you give or souvenir, that's all it is. This is all made by metal, and that is very classy to give gift to someone. So this is very affordable and very presenting or presentable gift to someone. This is Royal Selangor Gallery.
Taj. Divinity. So nice, guys.
I love this one.
Don't touch, kaya. Don't touch. If you're broken,
Mama, it's too
consider to
expensive.
sold. Yeah. Hmm? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Too expensive.
So nice. Marvel. Marvel. Iron Man.
This shed is very inviting. So I'm going to try and see and check the comfort of your seat. Now, this is something I consider like unfortunately, we don't sell them. Royal Selangor okay, I show around this. Aisha,
Yes, sir, you want to buy that?
do you buy this chair?
I saw it. Nice.
As a nice says, terima kasih. We accept our love for your grace and your generosity of heart and spirit, and for your kindness in showing up.
Very warm welcome.
And in exciting our interest in some of your items. Are you ready to move? Okay, yes, Assalamualaikum.
Built to last, a journey towards sustainability.
Mama, it's too expensive for me.
There's something
3,500.
It's something I would consider. What is that?
Which one? Is it the one in the bowl?
No, that's all.
Looks like in the honey.
Yeah, it's showing that it's more to a sustainable packaging.
Sir, from the pure honey, this one looks like.
Huh?
From the pure honey.
It is. The name is honeycomb packaging.
Oh, see? I know. I know. The Marvel Heroes. So nice. Thank you for 10th anniversary.
This is PH to KL TV. Thank you for watching. Be safe.